Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with another 4 Pinterest outfits that I was inspired to recreate using my own wardrobe. Alright, I don't know about y'all, but whenever there's a season change, I'm always running over to Pinterest to kind of get some ideas. And Pinterest does fall outfits very well. I mean, fall outfits in general are just easy because they're layered, they're fun, they're chunky, they're just really cool. So I have 4 outfits, pretty casual. They all are jeans. Some do have some heels in there, boots if you will. But besides that, pretty comfy, pretty casual. You guys know I'm a pretty basic, comfy dresser. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into look number 1. Look number 1 is really cute, and I honestly have pretty much this exact same outfit. And I've never worn it like this. I love button-ups, I love cardigans, and I recently did get a pair of like slip-on loafers. Hers are full loafers, but I'm gonna see if I can create the same outfit and see if it's gonna be winner. I think it's a fun way to just kind of layer in ways that I wouldn't have thought to layer in. I never really wear sweaters over button-ups, but we'll see. It could go really good, could go really bad, but let's see how I do with look number 1. We're gonna give this a go. Mr. Scout has 0 personal space, so we're just gonna scoot him over a little bit and make it work. But the first outfit, she just has jeans and a white button-up as the base, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put on my little Levi 501s, but I'm quite nervous to try these on, honestly, because I just washed them and dried them, and you know, when you wash and dry like a full denim, the next time you put them on, it's like sausage encasing, but you know, such is life. So we're gonna put these on because these are like my perfect straight leg type jean. Hers are a little more cropped than mine, but I still think we'll be able to get the job done. So let's pop these on with a white button up, and you know the drill, Willix, that's a rise. Whole day I thought today was Wednesday, and it's not Wednesday, it's Thursday. Okay, these aren't as bad as I thought they were gonna be. Well, I haven't buttoned them yet, but there we go, perfect, good job, Scout. Okay, apparently Scout is going to be in the back of every single one of my videos, but if you've been here for a while, Miss Wrinkles used to be pretty much in the back of all my videos as well, or she would make her appearance, so I'm not mad at it one bit. This is an Oxford. Fun fact, I don't actually, why do I say fun fact when I don't mean fun fact? There's nothing fun about said fact. Is that supposed to be off the wall like that? I've never noticed it. I feel like the answer is no. I'm gonna need Scott to fix that. Anyway, I don't actually own a white Oxford button-up, but I really want to. And you know what else I want to do? I want to get one where I can get it engraved because I want like something cool on the pocket. I like wear button-ups so often that I want some like different unique type of ones. Now, do you know, can you like buy a button-up and then send it away to get embroidered, or does it have to be embroidered from the place? I don't know, I saw these really cute ones from Levi, but they're cropped, but there's like a horseshoe on one of them. There's like a clover, maybe not a clover. There's a horseshoe on one that I thought was super cute, but it's cropped, and I don't want it cropped. I want like a long line. Anyway, okay, she has loafers, and I just recently picked these ones up from Target, and I think they'll look really cute with these pants. Oh, yes, I love. I dropped the freaking grate of my grill on my foot, and it is so bruised and cut up, it hurts. So I'm gonna put these on very gently. Like literally, I don't know what, I mean, I know what the heck happened. It's like one of those travel grills that has like, it like unfolds, like it folds up like a dolly, which I like, but I had never used it before, and I dropped the inside part on my toe while I was trying to lift it up, and it sucks. It hurts so bad. But anyway, okay, this base is just so cute. I love everything about this. This is a good, just standard staple base. All right, Scout. We're having an issue here, friend. Okay. Let's put this on. Let's do a little green. This is giving, I think hers is the Cezanne one, which I don't know why I ever thought I needed the Cezanne one, because they have this one, which is from Princess Polly from years ago, but it's very similar. But I did just buy a Cezanne dupe off of Amazon for like $30, this red one, and it's actually really nice quality, but I do really love this sweater. So cute. Honestly, really good. I don't know why I hadn't thought to like pair this together before. I'm just so excited for it to not be 90-degree weather anymore. Okay, what do we think? think I honestly nailed this. This looks good. Let's unbutton one more here. I always love the idea of having a blowout on my hair, but I also hate it because I hate just like how it just, I don't know, it doesn't stay in one place. But anyway, I think this turned out cute. I think this was a win for the first outfit. I think hers is definitely more oversized, like her button up, but this is just kind of what I have. And she doesn't have anything buttoned, so she's just kind of chilling. But I think this is really cute. I honestly like this a lot. I wish my button up was slightly more oversized, but I still think this turned out really cute. So this was look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2, I'm obsessed with this chocolate brown look with the red added in. I don't think you get any more fall than this with the big oversized coat. My coat is not as big as hers, but I still think we'll be able to achieve the same look. The red and the brown are a combination I would never, ever honestly think to pair together, but I think it's gonna be super cute, and I think we're gonna nail it. So let's see how I do with look number 2, because she's giving all the coolness. Okay, so for look number 2, I'm going to put on my chocolate brown like denim pants that I have with a white tee, and then we'll like kind of layer over with everything else. Oh my god, my toe is so busted. So let's put on our base layer, and then you know the drill, we'll accessorize. And my hair is gonna stay out for the rest of this video for the most part because I'm over it. And before I put on my top, I'm gonna throw on these cowboy boots really quick because she has like a brown pointed toe heel type boot. This is the best that I can do. Excuse me. And I think these will work. Scout, I'm gonna tell you one thing right now. If I'm putting on boots, you know I'm not walking, okay? Eventually he'll realize that I only have like one pair of walking sneakers. And these are not it. So this does not mean we're going anywhere, okay? All right, let's put on a white tee. I just bought a whole new pack of these little Hanes white tees. They're just so good. Okay, so she has hers kind of like slouchy, not tucked in or anything. And then she has a red sweater layered over. This one that I have from Target from like last year or maybe 2 years ago. I think that's last year. When red like blew up everywhere. Red and brown I just wouldn't have thought to pair together, but it's honestly cute. This sweater is like too small for layering such a big t-shirt underneath it though. I'm not gonna lie, it has like a lot of extra fabric that I need to like play around with. I should have picked a more like sleek, slim fitting top. But anyway, next we're gonna go in with my chocolate brown little cardigan thing from Old Navy. Okay, so mine is like not, my sweater is not staying down. Oh god, this looks rough. My neckline is like wonky. Okay, and then she has some sunnies on. She's a big brown bag. I don't. I like small brown bags, but I think this turned out really cute, honestly. It's not something that I would typically ever wear. Her, like I said, her coat is so much bigger, but I'm just not like somebody who wears insanely long coats because it's so impractical for me to drive. Even this is hard for me to drive and I have to like, you know what I mean? So I think this turned out cute. I like the brown and the red way more than I thought I would, and I would never think to pair this together. So we nailed it, I think, you guys. That's her. Me, I think this outfit's pretty much spot on, except for, like I said, her coat is longer than mine, but I think this is adorable, honestly. It's growing on me. And I like the white pop because I feel like it just adds the right amount of contrast to the outfit. So that was look number 2. Let's move on to look number 3. Okay, look number 3 is definitely more within my comfort zone. Very similar to look number 2 with just like a sweater and a coat, jeans and all of that. But I think it's gonna be really cute. Again, giving very put together city, but also like city, by city I mean like walking around the city. But it's giving very put together, but also very comfortable and casual because it's jeans and a sweater. So let's see how I do with look number 3. Okay, so for look number 3, we're keeping the white tee on. Again, I would pick a different white tee, but Anyway, we're keeping our white tee on, and we're going to throw on a gray sweater, and I'm gonna put on my little, like, they're not flare, but they're kind of like a wide leg type of thing from Zara. We're gonna put those jeans on, and you know the drill, we will accessorize. I was like so worried when I got off of my birth control that I would have like the worst hormonal acne, because I've really always dealt with acne in my life, like pretty much always. Not like horrible acne, but acne bad enough where like, hey, Scout, that's my sock, bro. Absolutely not. Not like terrible acne, but I've just always had very acne prone skin. And I got like 2 breakouts here and 1 down here. And I was like, oh no, like it's coming for me. Like I'm gonna get like horrible acne now. Again, because it's like I've been on birth control pretty much most of my life. So I was like nervous to see what would happen. But honestly, I was like, is it hormonal, or is it like breakouts because of that, or is it because you picked your face in front of a magnifying mirror for 7 hours the other night and clogged your pores? It's probably that. Okay. I feel like I need to get these pants hemmed just a little bit. They work with heels, which I like. I just really like the structure of these pants. Structure of these pants is really nice, but they pull too much when I don't have like high heels on. They're also like slightly big, but they're Zara, and you just never know what you're getting with Zara. Never know. Okay, so she has like a pointed heel type thing on. I don't know if they're boots or they're heels, but I have these little like slingbacks. Hopefully they don't hurt my toe. Scott's like, what in the world are you doing, lady? Oh, they're literally perfect with heels, but I just don't wear heels very often, so, but it is nice to have like a pair of jeans that I can wear heels with, you know? My toe's cramped up in there. There we go. They're just really good. Okay, so her white tee is clearly tucked because you can't see it out of her sweater. So let's pop that on. These jeans are cute, very cute. Okay, let's put on a little gray sweater. I've worn the heck out of this thing from Target. I do not want to step on you, Bugs, but you're always in the way. Okay, let's pull this out. Oh yes, cute. Okay, and tuck in. I love the charcoal gray sweater. So good. Okay. She just has hers like loose, and this sweater is good, perfect fit. I think her jeans might be a tiny bit darker, but does it really matter? No. Next up, she has a coat, a big long coat on. I got this one from NAKD, which it's longer, but I don't know if it's as long as hers is. I love NAKD. I really want to shop there more this year. They have so much cute stuff. Okay, this is good. This is just a very easy, cold weather that I won't be able to wear until like January here, but whatever. But whatever, if you're normal and you get a fall, then congrats, wear this. This is cute. Hey, Scout, that's my coat. I'm not playing with you. Okay, and then sunnies. Oh, this is perfect. I love everything about this. This is great. Apparently Scott likes the coat too. This coat is more expensive and it is lined and stuff versus the Old Navy one. This one's definitely warmer, and I like the way this one is as well. But this is more of like a true coat, whereas that's kind of a coat-again, I would say. But this outfit, perfection. So good. I like this. Am I a heels girl now? No, but for this outfit and these pants, like literally perfect with these shoes. Anyway, okay, let's move on to the fourth and final outfit, where I'm going to go casual with some sneaks, which I'm really excited about. But are you kidding? These jeans just like flawlessly fit. I love them. Okay, look number 4 is definitely an outfit that I would wear all the time. I love just the baseball tee, the Converse, And she's got a fun pattern jacket, which I think can really elevate any look from being just jeans and a t-shirt to kind of adding in a fun jacket. And it's something that I don't always do because I very much like to stick to basics and neutrals, but it is fun to have a pattern jacket. And I have one very similar to this. Mine's more of like a coat again, but I think it will still get the job done. And I just like how casual and comfortable this is, but you could obviously switch it off by taking out the hat and putting on like heel or a boot, and you'd change the complete vibe of this outfit. But I'm gonna go with this one because this is definitely within my comfort zone and I love it. So let's see how I do with look number 4. So the fourth and final outfit is hecka casual, and I'm excited. I didn't expect to wear this for the rest of the day. I don't know if I will because it's still like 90 something degrees, but we'll wear it around the house for the rest of the day at least until we have to run some errands, and then we'll probably put on denim shorts. But let's switch out these jeans for these like lighter wash jeans. She has rips in hers, but honestly all my ripped jeans are kind of like put away because I'm not wearing them right now. But I still think this like lighter wash, medium wash jean will get the job done. These ones are the 501s as well, but they have way more stretch than my other ones. These ones aren't like a solid denim. But anyway, let's move on to sneakers. There you go. I'm gonna put on my Converse, which I haven't worn in forever. And I have the bread laces on them, so they just stretch. If you haven't heard me talk about them, they're amazing. I honestly want to send a pair to my dad's girlfriend's daughter's daughter. I don't know what she would be, my niece technically, right? If they got married, she would technically be my niece, right? Anyway, they're amazing because they're easy to slide on, and I saw when we went to a baseball game together over the summer when we were visiting, she had just purchased the white ones for school, and I was like, girl, you need the bread laces. They're on. Okay, now I'm gonna put on a black tee instead of the white tee. Okay, so I have my little like black top on. Hers is not tucked in. I also don't know if it's a t-shirt, but we're gonna work with it. My millennialness is wanting to tuck this so badly, as I do. My jacket's different than hers. Hers is definitely like a structured coat, whereas mine's like, again, like a coat-again type of vibe that Scout really enjoys chewing on. I'm just kidding. Where's my arm? Scout, where's my arm? I'm not playing with you, though you think I am. Let's put that on. And then she has like a blue baseball cap, and I only have like a navy one, so I figured I would just go with this gray one. It's giving like model off duty. She probably is a model. I am not, but I think this turned out really cute. So, look number 4. I like this. It's very easy, very comfortable, very casual. The jacket is the star of the show. It adds a ton of interest. But like I said, you could quickly switch out some accessories and make this look not as like street style, but I still love the platform Converses. They're still so good. Okay, that was look number 4. All right, you guys, that was it. That was my 4 outfits that I found while scrolling through Pinterest for hours that I do. Like when I'm watching TV, golf specifically, I'm always on Pinterest, okay? But I love making these because I think I try to nail down the fact of like really shop your own wardrobe and use Pinterest as a tool to help like you to customize and really hone in on your personal style. And when you're looking through pictures on Pinterest, if you find like trends in there, then add that to a list of stuff that you want to buy. But these videos are all about encouraging you to shop your own wardrobe, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, as always, what your favorite outfit was down below, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.